Tour Sports here with Daniel Bent. Good performance in the second half. I thought the first half you guys sit back and allow them bowling to take advantage of you guys. You talk to them at the halftime break and they come up. Tell us some of your thoughts on the tactics that you gave your team today.
Well, Dumbo is a quality team. It's a reason why they are at the top of the table. Yes, I would agree that Dumbo was quickest out of the blocks, but we are a quality team. Waterhouse is a quality team. We have depth in our team. So at halftime, we realized that their system was a bit different. So some persons, our players were out of the positions that we would have predicted them to be. But so we said to the lads that, hey, we need to come and show the quality that Waterhouse have. So at halftime, we made 3 changes, and Andre Leslie, Steve Williams, and also Shaquille Bradford, who actually scored the equalizing goal for us. So we're disappointed that we didn't get 3 points, but also pleased that we got a point.
In previous matches, we see that Waterhouse, slow to the blocks. Also, whenever teams have good game in attacking in the own half, Waterhouse tend to, stray up top, not lacking the passing lanes and stuff like that. Tell us, what you guys would do to fix that.
Well, as we go along, we don't have everything compact as it. We're still growing as a team, although we're in the second round, and it's a race for the top 6. So these are things that we're going to look at. Conceding 4 goals in 2 games, not something that we liked, but definitely going forward is something that we can look at, and still a work in progress.
You guys are going to play in the Caribbean Cup soon.
Yeah.
What's your thought on that?
Well, I tell you, it's going to be another step up to a different level. But these games somewhat is preparing us for it, and we're looking forward to it because we begin to play on the 15th thereabout, and we should come back by the 25th or thereabout in May. So we're looking forward to it.
Okay. The last time I heard that Darren Mattox would, come out in the Waterhouse shirt. What is going on there?
I have no idea where that's coming from, but Darren is definitely not in a Waterhouse shirt. So you probably see him in a different shirt, but that's not going to be Waterhouse.
Thank you very much, and continue to do the good work.
Yeah, man, thank you, my brother.
Very well.